Same window, same space, but the whole room feels more polished. That's the difference ripple fold curtains can make. Today, we're talking about ripple fold curtains, what they are, why designers love them, and how to choose the right one. Stay till the end for a few quick tips. Let's start with the basics. What is a ripple fold curtain? It's a curtain system designed to create soft, even waves across the entire window. That clean S shape is what gives it such a polished look. To get that effect, you need the right track, carriers, and header tape working together. Now that you know what ripple fold is, let's see why everyone's loving it. First, ripple fold gives your windows a clean, elegant look. Simple, yet refined. Second, its evenly spaced hooks make opening and closing smooth and steady. Third, even when pulled aside, the folds stack neatly and still look beautiful. Now that you know ripple fold, let's talk about how to choose the right one for your space. Fullness makes a big difference. It affects how soft the waves look, how rich the fabric feels, and how much space the curtains take when they're open. For a clean and relaxed look, go with 80% fullness. The waves feel lighter, and it saves the most stack space. For most homes, 100% fullness is the easiest choice. It gives you nice, even waves without looking too heavy. And if you want that fuller, hotel-style look, 120% fullness gives you deeper waves and a more luxurious drape. A simple way to remember it: more fullness means richer waves. Less fullness means a lighter look and more space saved. Let's see how it actually works. Ripple fold shape is defined by the spacing between carriers. Closer spacing creates tighter, more sculpted waves. Wider spacing feels softer and more relaxed as you watch. Notice how different fullness levels change the rhythm and depth of the folds. Choose the one that best suits your space. Fallen for the look of ripple fold curtains? Let's dive into some quick tips on choosing your perfect style. Tip 1. Measuring. There are 2 ways to measure. 1 if you already have a curtain rod, and 1 if you don't. Let's start with scenario 1, when there's already a rod installed. Measure the rod from bracket to bracket without including the finials and note it down. Now, for scenario 2, when you don't have a curtain rod yet, start by choosing the spot where you want it installed. For height, we generally recommend mounting the rod 6 to 10 inches above the window frame. For width, extend the rod about 6 to 15 inches past each side of the window frame, depending on the available wall space and curtain stack. Once you've set the height and width, you've got your total rod length and can choose your curtains. Next, tips 2. Let's look at the mounting options. Ripple fold curtains can be wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted. Let's start with wall mount. The bracket sets the projection from the wall. Since the track and brackets come as a set, you usually don't need to calculate the mounting depth separately. Now for ceiling mount. This time, pay attention to the clearance between the track and the wall. In general, keep the track at least 3 inches away from the wall. Choose the right mounting method and spacing for a smooth, polished finish. Tips 3. Remember to fold back the ends. For full, natural, and perfectly shaped waves, this helps keep them in place. Master these tempo and create your perfect ripple fold drapes with ease. More inspiration awaits at